Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a SoundCloud account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and go ahead and search for SoundCloud. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link right over here. Now you're going to be on this page right over here where all you want to do is click on create account. And now this is where you can continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple, or just enter your email right over here. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and verify your account just like that, or just go ahead and verify that mail. It can also send you on your phone like it is doing on mine. It can also go ahead and send it to your email directly. So simply go ahead and verify that it is you. And once you've done that, you're going to be done, I think, because I've already entered a password as well, created it. So just click on continue and there you go. Your account should be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next